How to cut jicama with F and Sharp. This strange looking root vegetable is actually pretty easy to work with, and it's pretty versatile too. I'm using the F and Sharp utility knife as I want to get a good firm grip on this and get some nice leverage with my knife as well. Once you create a base so that way the root vegetable is stable, you can go ahead and cut down the sides. Once it's all cleaned up, stand it up on its side, and you're going to make about 1/4 inch slices up to a 1/2 inch depending on the dice that you want to get out of this, what the cubes will end up being. You'll slice it into rows first, turn it 180 degrees, slice against those first cuts. That will make your dice of the jicama. Repeat these steps as needed for as much volume of cubed jicama you need. Into a mixing bowl, we'll go down with the cubed jicama as well as whatever your favorite berries are. I have a mix here of raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. They're absolutely delicious, going down with a little lemon, some sugar, and a cinnamon infused vanilla syrup. Give it a good toss. Then we'll slice up some fresh mint. We'll go ahead and top that up, give it a last toss into the fridge. Once it's chilled down, enjoy. Alternatively, you can slice your jicama into fries, air fry that, then toss in garlic butter, top with some fresh grated Parmesan cheese, a little fresh parsley for some color. You're good to go. Visit fandsharp.com for this recipe and more.